It's the third Monday of the new year. It's widely believed to be the most depressing day of the year, and that could be due to many reasons, due to lack of daylight and compounding bills from the holiday season. That's why it's called Blue Monday. The Nipissing Branch of the Canadian Mental Health Association confronted this head-on, partnering with Canadore and Nipissing to launch two new services, both free, to encourage those suffering from mental health issues to seek support. The two new programs are called Big White Wall and Bounce Back. They are both free and meant to help youth and adults 15 and over who are dealing with depression and anxiety. Margie Clark is the interim executive director for the Nipissing Regional Branch of the Canadian Mental Health Association. She explains the Bounce Back program.
Telephone coaching that takes place out of Southern Ontario, but it's available to all of our folks across the North and Northeast, really around the province. It's by self-referral or referral through a primary care provider. And it is, again, telephone coaching where individuals can identify what their primary needs might be at that time.
Fourth-year Nipissing University student Abby Thompson has taken a courageous step. She has vocalized her struggles with mental health.
It's been a long journey of getting to this point of openly talking about it, but I'd like to think that if someone had told me this 4 years ago when I was just starting to figure out what I was going through, I think it would have helped in normalizing the things that we go through. So like often on Instagram, I'll put on one of the Instagram stories if I'm having a rough day of a depressive episode, I talk about it. And I have lots of messages of people saying, thank you for putting that out there because it's normalizing it.
Canadore student Corey Hobbs also displayed a tremendous amount of courage on this Blue Monday. He described his dark days struggling with mental health in intricate detail. He has gone from not wanting to live to thriving. He shared his message so others can face their demons.
I think the biggest factor for me is that there's so many people suffering behind closed doors, and these events and programs like this and having these conversations within our community is a step in the right direction, and it gets people comfortable and gets them out of their comfort zone and wants them to talk and recognize their mental illness.
Hobbs is in a much better place now after reaching out for help. That's what these programs encourage people to do.
I'm doing great. I'm absolutely phenomenal. That was a nerve-wracking experience for me personally, but throughout my journey, I've learned all the self-care methods I need to keep myself healthy and keep my brain where it needs to be.
For more information on these programs, visit bouncebackontario.ca as well as bigwhitewall.ca.